Hello everyone, my name is Burcu Unsal. I am the proud creator of neuro-shine technology, the Shiny Mind Show, and your neuro-shine coach.
Are you ready to shine? Come on, it's the shiny one. You got this. If you wanna go galactic.
Today's topic is meditation. We are going to go to deeper places in your mind, and we are definitely going to talk about why. I get that question a lot. Shiny, why do I need to meditate? Why do I need to do that? That's boring. And I also hear a lot that, people, when they try to meditate, they fall into sleep. They literally cannot put it together. And I was like that too when I first started meditating. And so I decided to put together a video and explain to you a little bit with more scientifically why you need to meditate. Like, what is the benefit of it to you, really? If you're ready, let's go. Number one, mental cleaning. You know how you cook a meal and after that you look at your kitchen and you think, oh, it's messy, I gotta clean up? That's what meditation does to your brain. You clean up the crumbles of what is left behind your day. Your activities, your thoughts, your emotions, and this happened, that happened. You go through a lot during the day. And when you meditate, simply closing your eyes and going inside, focusing on your eternal being, that helps you clean out all that clutter that you experience during the day. And you can also think of meditation as if you are putting things away. You just moved into a new home and you have things to put away. You compartmentalize, you put things in storages, in drawers, in places, and that keeps everything tidy and organized, right? It's the same thing. When you meditate, you are basically telling your brain, dear brain, put this thought over here and this event that I just experienced over here. And by the way, my dreams and goals that I'm working on, let's also organize them this way so that it just helps me to move forward. So when you meditate, you are basically cleaning the clutter of the day, cleaning the crumbles of what is left behind, and organizing your thoughts beautifully. Number two, conscious programming. As a licensed trainer of neuro-linguistic programming, it is just normal that I talk about programming, right? It's a matter of really training your brain and deciding that you are going to recreate and reprogram your consciousness with new thoughts and beliefs and dreams. When you do meditation, you really go into a deeper level of your consciousness and you access deeper mental files, in my language. And that has something to do with your brain waves. According to neuroscience, you have 5 different brain waves. Those are delta, theta, alpha, beta, and gamma. When you meditate, you simply let go of the beta brainwave because you're closing your eyes. And that simple action of closing your eyes cuts the cord of your internal world from the outside world, and you go in, and as you go in, you have less functioning of the brain and your brain waves change. They go down to a lower cycle per second. And that helps you to access deeper levels of your consciousness. And as you go deeper and deeper with your meditation, that really gives you the power to do your conscious reprogramming. You can literally, by just thought alone, decide that you are going to become an absolutely different person. And there are so many transformational meditation techniques out there. I really invite you to experience them because you are going to have access to magical parts of your consciousness. Number 3, Growth. Now that we have talked about how meditation is going to help you reprogram your mind and also clean your mind, now we're going to talk about your growth, because your growth is about you becoming a better version of yourself, right? So when you meditate, think about it. You're organizing your thoughts. You're able to tap into higher and deeper levels of consciousness. You're able to reprogram yourself. You are able to reset your own energy. And hello, that helps you grow. That helps you become a better version of yourself. And that's why at the end of the day, your personal growth is another reason why you need to meditate. So there you have it, my 3 reasons why you need to meditate. I hope this video helped you, served you, and if you liked it, please put a like on it and share it with your friends so that we can all understand the benefits and the science of meditation. And subscribe to my channel to have more access to videos like this for coaching, neuro-linguistic programming, reprogramming your mindset, personal and professional growth, and of course, at the end of the day, to maximize your true potential with neuro-shine technology. Why? Because you and I, we are going to make this world a much better place with more love and shiny minds.
Absolutely.